Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something to get off my chest. After 73 hours of driving lessons, 2 failed exams, and now remaining 16 hours that I have paid with my CPF account, I still don't have the French driving license. Yeah, you heard it very well. 89 hours, that's almost enough to fly a plane. Even pilot, I think they don't train that long. Guys, I'm not trying to be a pilot. I'm laughing, but it's too sad. I'm not trying to become a pilot. I just want to drive to the supermarket. I'm very sad, not because of the money, because money is nothing, but because of the responsibility I have. I have a little family. I have a child. In this country, if you don't have a car, it's like you don't have legs. So, what's this CPF thing? It's called Compte Professionnel de Formation. Basically, if you work in France, you earn training credits each year. Every April, you will win 500 euros in your CPF account. You can use that money to pay for certain courses, including driving lessons. That's what I did. I bought 20 more hours, hoping that this time, just maybe, it will be the last. But let me tell you something. It's not that I don't know how to drive. The problem is the system. The examiners are strict, sometimes too strict. I remember during my last exam, I was trying to park the car. I took a little time, when you are a beginner. I took a little time and boom, the examiner stopped the exam and said, I didn't master the steering wheel. Come on, man. I was just being careful. Difficult. The first exam, he said, I missed a priorité à droite. So priorité à droite is when you're supposed to give priority to the cars coming from your right. But listen, there was no car coming from my right. And I slowed down. I looked, when you are a beginner, I looked like this. But maybe I didn't move my head dramatically for him to see. They want you to do like this. But when you are a beginner, you stress. It's normal. So I just looked like this with my eyes, a little bit with my head, but I don't want to lose concentration. He failed me just like that. That's not fair at all. That's not fair. You spend hours, days, money, and a simple guy can just come and fail you just like this because of something very simple. Let's say the reality. During normal driving, we don't do like this and this. So why they want us in the exam day to do like this for them to see? And another thing, every time I have an exam, they send me to a city I have never driven in before. Imagine you train in your little calm town and boom, exam day, you find yourself in a jungle of roundabouts and impatient drivers. It's like sending a farmer to fly a fighter jet. Oh my God. Hope one day I will get this French driving license and forget all of this. Yes, even my baby say, you are right. I've spent over 4,000 euros for this driving license. That's a lot. I should be buying a car with that money, not just learning how to drive one. But here's what I've learned the hard way. The driving schools, they are not your friends. They are not your friends. I used to keep buying more hours and they kept delaying my exams. Why? Because they knew I would pay. So don't do like me, because that was the biggest mistake I did. Don't do like me. If you are at 30 hours, that's enough. Stop paying. Find some friends with cars and practice with them while you are waiting. Because believe me, you will spend a lot of money. You will spend a lot of money, and the driving schools, they don't care. It's a business. They are not happy if you succeed. They just want you to fail and fail so that will keep paying money. You need to be strategic with this driving license in France. I wish I knew all of this before I started. Right now, I'm broke. I'm really broke. I'm tired and frustrated. But also, I'm hopeful. By the way, I was supposed to have a driving lesson today, but I have cancelled it. I have cancelled it because let me just slow down and rest a little bit, because really I paid a lot of money. So what I did, I have cancelled all of my upcoming lessons, because I told you I have already done 73 hours that I have paid with cash money. I failed 2 exams, and I have bought 20 more hours with my CPF account. So that's not free money, because some people will think that CPF is free money. CPF is not free money. That's money you are gaining every year because you are working. By the way, if you want to use that money, I have explained it in a video. If you want to use the money from the CPF, you have to pay 100 euros. Yes, that's your money, but use it, you have to pay. So that's not free money. That's your own money. If you are not working, you cannot have money from your CPF. You have zero, zero. So I have cancelled all of the driving lessons from my schedule because I want to relax a little bit, slow down, reflect and see what went wrong, what should I improve. And I swear, this is the last 20 hours I'm paying. I'm done with paying. This time I'm getting that driving license. I'm getting bored. The fact of paying and thinking of the driving license. I'm getting old, white hair. You see, France is not a joke. Driving license in France is not a joke. Make sure you get your license from your home country before coming here. But also make sure the driving license from your home country, you can change it once in France, because there are certain countries like Comoros. If you have driving license in Comoros, you cannot change it. You cannot exchange it in France. Even in the US, there are certain states, if you get a driving license from there, you can't use it in France, like I think New York. Because I saw a video in YouTube from a YouTuber, an American YouTuber who relocated to France. She was saying that her driving license from New York, like, she cannot use it in France. So she had to purchase driving hours, do some lessons in order to get a French driving license. And she failed the exam 2 times. She was already driving in the US because she's from New York. She got the driving license from New York, but I don't know why, but the New York driving license is not exchangeable here in France. So make sure before you come to France with a driving license, make sure that driving license will allow you to exchange it in France, because if you come in France as a foreigner, you can use your driving license for 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. Only 6 months. You use it, and after 6 months, you have to exchange it if it's exchangeable. If not, you have to start over everything. And believe me, it can be a nightmare. To everyone out there struggling with the French driving license, you are not alone. You know, the system is hard, sometimes unfair, but don't give up. Don't give up. Stay strong. Be smart. Don't waste money like I did. And most of all, believe in yourself. So if you're somebody who'd like to have the French driving license, I hope you will get it. Don't give up. Be like me. I'm somebody who doesn't give up easily. Maybe because I'm a believer, I'm a Muslim, I don't give up easily. I'm here, I will keep pushing until I get this French driving license because I know I will forget all of this when I have my own car, doing the tour of France with my car, which is one of my dreams. So I hope you too, if you somebody would like to get this French driving license, I hope you will get it this year. Subscribe for more adventure, subscribe for more tips about French bureaucracy, about traveling. Let's stay strong together. See you in the coming episode.